Assalamu alaikum everyone. How have you been? I am pretty great by the mercy of Almighty Allah. I hope that you are doing fantastic. Okay, right now I'm standing at my potato field where I made so many videos, where I made so many mistakes in this potato field. It is so attractive for me. Why I come here in this place? Because I have been working in my potato field since morning. Now I'm giving fungicide medicines every potato trees, and I have seen so many potato trees, they are suffering from fungicide. It is so bad for us. For that I'm giving fungicide medicine, and I always taking care in my potato trees. It is so bad for me because after long days I am not giving fungicide medicines in my own potato trees. For that I have seen so many potato trees, they are suffering complicated problem. Okay, now as you can see, this is my own potato field, and my father is a farmer. For that I am farmer person in my family, because my father always cultivate potato and they always cultivate paddy. It is so good for me because I know that Bangladesh is an agricultural country and paddy is a staple food in our Bangladesh. For that my father always cultivate this crop. It is so attractive because I am a student class of degree second year in Paspir Degree College. Besides, at that time I am not wasting my time. My father and me together we are hard working our potato field, and we are hard working our paddy field. It is so amazing because it is our income source. For that I always work with my father. Okay, now as you can see, this place are so attractive. Okay, now I'm giving Acrobat MZ medicines in our potato trees. You know that Acrobat MZ medicine, it is a very famous product in our Bangladesh, in our Ulipur Upozela. For that yesterday I bought 1 carton Acrobat MZ for me, for our customer. Okay, now I'm giving 6 pieces Acrobat MZ in our potato trees, and it is very high for me because it price so high. Okay, as you can see, there are so many potato trees and it is completely green. I love green potato field. For that I always cultivate, and my father always taking care my others potato field. Okay, because I am earning person in my family, and my elder brothers always stay Tongi in Gazipur city, and he always earning person in his family, and I am earning person in my family because my mother and his oldest person, and my father and he always taking care, and I am always hard working in my potato field. Okay, now I have been working in my potato field since morning, and now I will give 3 machines medicines in my potato field. After finish my work I will go my home, and after finish my having meal and I will go Thatrai market. And yesterday my mother told me, Mamun, you will go Thatrai market and you will buy some product for our family, for your shop. For that I will go I will go Thatrai market and I will buy some product for my family. Okay, yesterday my one elder brothers his home, maybe Harun Abra, he ordered me, Mamun, I will buy 10 piece Acrobat MZ from your shop, and you will carry this Acrobat MZ in my shop. For that I will go Thatrai market. It is the main reason for me because it is my income source. For that I always give Acrobat MZ medicines in my own elder brothers shop. It is so attractive for me. Okay, now I'm not practicing my English language last 3 days because I am very busy with my daily activities, and now I come here in this place, and by this way I'm practicing my English language. It is so attractive for me because I am very busy with my daily activities and I have a local fertilizer shop. It's located in our village and I always hard work with my father. It is very good for me. Okay. As you can see, there are so many thousand potatoes, and after 30 days I will harvesting potato and I will buy potato in Ulipur market, and it is so good for me. Okay, and I have been working in my potato field 60 days, and after 30 days I will carry potato and I will buy potato. It is my pleasure. Okay, because it is our income source. For that I always taking care. Okay, now I wanna show you there are different kind of paddy field, and I know that it is a very important product in our Bangladesh. It is my elder uncle's paddy field, and there are so many different kind of grasses. I know that grass is harmful for our paddy field. For that some people they always give Lobada medicine in his paddy field, and they some people they always remove unnecessary grasses his own paddy field. It is so attractive for me. Okay, now I stop my camera because my time is very short, and I will give 3 chunky medicines in my own potato field, and I will close my camera. Thanks for watching this video. The video is getting longer. I don't want to make it more longer. Keep practicing, keep learning. Best luck for you.